फरा मैम स्ट्रेट। मुकेश सर साथ में करा, मुकेश जी। मुकेश जी, मुकेश जी।
अरे लारे
थोड़ा पीछे ना।
अरे ज्योति तो अंदर से बाहर आ रही है। अरे मोबाइल दे मेरा, किधर लेके गया साला?
अरे ये तो चाहिए बात, ये तो चाहिए।
इधर सामने देखे ना, पहले सामने।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर। सर मैम एक मिनट रुके मैम।
एक सर का सोलो।
फराज जी जरा एक साथ में जरा।
गेट वाले को बोलना गेट छोड़ के आ रहा है।
मैम हियर।
सर का एक सोलो।
एक सर का सोलो। सर का
विनोद फोन ले रहे हैं।
अरे लाना फोन यार।
बस अरे बस कितना धक्का देता है। मैडम रुकिए अरे एक मिनट इधर ही रुकिए प्लीज, एक मिनट कंगना जी यहाँ पर। कंगना राइट में बराबर कंगना राइट। कंगना जी
मैम थोड़ा पीछे को।
अरे भाई दरवाजे वाले यार खोल ले।
चलो मनोज जी यहाँ पे।
मनोज जी फोटो
इधर यही छपने वाला है।
मनोज जी इस तरफ, मनोज जी एक बार मनोज जी
लास्ट इधर
सोलो करो।
सोलो
नहीं
ये भाई थोड़ा उधर देना काले में यार।
अरे सर आप
मैडम जी आपके राइट में देखिए। नया स्ट्रेट
चलोगे।
मैडम आपके राइट में देखिए, एकदम राइट। एक मैडम
या
बहुत बढ़िया।
थैंक यू। मैम
हाँ मनोज जी यहाँ से। सर यहाँ पर सर अभी इधर फिर से सर।
क्या बड़ा भैया
क्या हुआ सर? यहाँ पर फिर से सर। हाँ जी मनोज सर यहाँ पे। अभी सोलो सर।
सर आपका सोलो।
थोड़ा पीछे सर, वन स्टेप थोड़ा पीछे सर।
दादा
मनोज सर ये राइट में। सर ये राइट। मनोज जी सामने। सर ये राइट।
सेंटर में मनोज जी।
सर ये राइट।
मनोज सर कंगना रुको एक सेकंड। मनोज सर एक सेकंड बैठिए एक सेकंड ए साहब सर
अजय अजय जरा पीछे ले हाँ ये देखो ना फ्लैट डाल
राजा साहब क्या करो नहीं हो रहा आपका क्या कलाकार है
बस बस मैं
पीछे लोग आता है
मैम इधर देखना नहीं
हाथ काट
एक मिनट
अरे क्या कर रहे हो
Good evening. Mr. Manu Rishi, the most versatile Mr. Manoj Bajpayee, who also happens to be the mentor of movies.com. Ladies and gentlemen, talent se bharpoor stage hai yahan pe, but there are also some very, very important people who I cannot invite on stage. The art director, Mansi, and the associate producer, Parvez Alam Khan. Let's give a huge round of applause for Team Kriti. And yes, the casting director,
मुकेश छाबड़ा
Mukesh Chabra. Give it up for him. All right, so let's get down to business. When it comes to fine acting and also request to join on stage the CEO movies.com, Mr. Abhay Anand Singh, and the co-founder movies.com, Mr. Piyush Singh. I request all the photographers to please sit down. Please बैठ जाइएगा. Sir, थोड़ा बैठिए. All right, I think now everybody is happy. Live and is accessible to anybody from any part of the world. Jai Mata Di. All right, there you go. Huge round of applause for Team Kriti. Kriti, I mean live. All right, it's time for us now to move inside the cinema hall. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have multiple screenings of Kriti since we have a huge crowd and we have very limited seats inside. Oh, at this point, I request the cast and crew and all our special guests. So I request the cast and crew and our special guests to please make their way to the cinema.
The way you moving to the drum.
Staging for Mr. Abhay. Abhay. Can I have a hand mic, please? Hand mic. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'll throw the Q&A session open to the entire floor very soon. But before that, I have a few questions, and I think we must start with Kangna. Kangna, if you could first tell us, what do you think about the film? And also, what do you think about short films being released on digital platforms?
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So this film was such an intense experience. I'm sure you all loved it because this is such an amazingly written and directed and performed piece of art, I would say, because it's very hard to make a film and to have act structure, like, you know, whether it's a 10 minutes film or 9. I myself made a short film, and it's very difficult to have all 3 acts in such limited time. Okay. So, yes, so it's very difficult to actually, you know, it's like, but like everything else in the world, how things are becoming smaller and smaller, whether it's our laptop or our mobile or cars, you know, the future of cinema, if you want to ask me, it's not just me, whole world knows it, the future of cinema is internet movies. Because 2 hours, 2.5 hour film is not the future. The future is online, and the sooner we realize that, sooner we catch up, we won't be lagging behind from the rest of the world. I think Americans have already, in a very seamless way, adapted to this, and I'm so happy that I'm getting to do, to launch one very, you know, made on a big scale film, which is being released on the internet. So this is where the future lies, and this is where cinema is heading. And I'm very happy that Shiri's thought of something so progressive. Sorry, it's just so. And I loved it. I think, please guys, see it for yourself, and I'm sure everyone's gonna enjoy it and get shit scared. It is so spooky, and to see it in a big theater is like when when Manoj sir comes to bite your ear. Just be careful.
All right, my next question is for Shirish sir. It's, you know, it's a different experience, I'm sure, to create content for a digital platform. So can you tell us what was so different about the experience while you made the entire film?
Different in the sense that, see, even though we were making a short film, I never thought for once that, I always told Manoj and producers that, don't think of it as a short film, think of it as a, you know, as a 20-minute feature film. And that's the approach we had while making this. We never thought we were making a short film. One of the most important things that I was very liberated while making this, relieved, was not thinking about box office numbers, not thinking about censor or any of those things. We could have just made whatever we wanted. And one of the best things about short films, what I feel, is in feature films, we think of something right, and by the time we make it, it's a couple of years. By the time it releases, we're a completely different person. Here you think of something, you make it out, it's out in 2-3 months. It's very relevant. So I think that's the reason I love this format.
All right, so Manoj, since the mic is in your hand, firstly, like Kangna rightly said, I was taken back to 1999 when I watched Con, but this was more of a role reversal. So tell me, every time we see you in a film, we see you take on a new role. I'm just curious to know what inspires you to be part of a short film.
Just that, after so many years, uh, it becomes a routine, of going to the set, choosing a script, doing a role. And as Kangana, put it so rightly, I always, felt that internet is becoming wider and bigger and bigger and bigger and better and better. And this is the medium that one should really explore and experiment with. And I wanted to get used to it. Somewhere, movies.com, that's how we all started, and with this thought, we all started on this portal. And also it gives so much of freedom and liberty to just go ahead and experiment with yourself, to just challenge yourself. Do the kind of roles that you will never get to play in a feature film. So just the greed of doing roles, greed of doing various stuff is something keeps on forcing actors like me, just go ahead and try it out. So Kriti or Tando before this, the reason was just that, doing these films. But Kriti just happened. Kriti, because me and so many guests of Farha, we were having lunch at her place, and I was talking to Shirish, and he started telling me, explaining me about a story that is written, and it was from a girl point of view, and then I just came up with this idea of why not, let's do it for the portal. And he immediately agreed. He immediately started thinking about it. And in 5 days, we have the script ready. And next 1 month, we shot the film, and then he started editing. And can you believe that he's done the music? And what a fantastic music he's given, in this film. So you come to know so many. You can actually go ahead and put out certain stuff of yourself, certain aspect of yourself that you cannot think about, doing it for the future land. So and I'll be doing much more and many more in future.
That's great news.
Yeah, because an actor, when he says that he's very busy, actually he's lying. We are not acting, throughout the year. So we have a whole lot of time. So we can go ahead and just do something new with ourselves, with our, experiment with our craft, learn some new things, and you can only learn it by doing it. You cannot learn it by just thinking about it.
Absolutely. All right, sir. Thank you so much for talking. All right, I'd now like to ask beautiful Neha Sharma. So Neha, we've never seen you in a role like this before. To top it off, you are playing this role alongside someone as experienced and as versatile as the one and only Sir Manoj Bajpayee. So can you tell us, what was the preparation that you had to do for this role?
First of all, I was very honored to be part of this short film because it's with a bundle of talent that I'm working on, this film. Mr. Manu Rishi, of course, Mr. Manoj Bajpayee. I have been an ardent fan of his work from the very beginning. So when they told me, and of course, Sirish. So when I heard that these guys are coming together and making a film, no, obviously I forgot to mention Radhika, she's fantabulous as well. So a team which is full of these powerhouse talents, I was like, of course, I jumped at it. And I don't really get roles which are so interesting very often. So when I was offered this, I was like, yeah, I want to do this. And of course, about the preparation, yes, I was very nervous because you're sharing screen space with, according to me, the most finest actor India has ever seen. So I was nervous, so I did my little bit of preparation, like studied about agoraphobia. Obviously, Sirish was very kind enough to do a reading with me, discuss the role, discuss the girl's mindset, and Manoj was also very kind. So we did one reading, and of course, they were very, very helpful. I prepared whatever I could and then did Kriti, and I hope everybody really likes it.
I'm sure everybody did. You can see the reaction on people's faces. Lastly, I have one quick question for Abhay, who is the CEO of Movies.com. Abhay, Tandav was a huge success, and now it's Kriti, which I'm pretty sure is going to create waves. Today we have so many VOD platforms, you know, popularly Netflix. So can you tell us all, how is Movies.com different from the rest?
Well, I mean, today in the digital world, there are a lot of options available. There are millions of videos on YouTube. There are many television channels. There are many VOD platforms. And therefore, it becomes important to curate what you want to watch. Movies does that. We bring the best of world cinema, whether it is short films, documentaries, or features. And you know, when Shirish mentioned and talked about the story with us, we didn't want to let go of this opportunity. So I'm sure we'll continue to do much bigger things as we go on.
Absolutely, yes, well said. All right, with that, I think, all right, so Manoj has something to say.
Okay, Kangana, on behalf of the team, on behalf of Shirish and Neha and Radhika, Manu Rishi Chadda, I must thank you for coming all the way, you know, and taking our time, and you know, really, you know, raising our prestige, you know. Thank you very much. I'm a very big fan of her. She's doing so much of justice to her talent. I just hope that she, you know, continues to entertain us, you know, in a much more constructive way as she's been doing. I loved Queen. Yeah, I loved it. I loved it. Completely loved it. And thank you, all of you, the press, the guest here. More I say, you know, shorter it will be, but I must say that every time we are doing this and you show up in so many numbers, it only shows that, you know, all of you are ready to welcome a certain kind of change in entertainment business, and you really understand the importance of the future of entertainment on web. Thank you very much. मनु ऋषि चड्ढा जी कुछ बोलेंगे.
मेरी तरफ से भी thanks, Nick. Thank you very much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to throw the floor open for a quick Q&A to the friends of the media. One request before you ask your question, please mention your name and the name of your organization. All your
कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, I think they're looking for a mic. Okay, we have a first question there.
जी. नहीं, अक्स जो था वो साइकोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर नहीं था यार. ये बंदा जो है थोड़ा सा, जिसको मैं आप लोगों के सामने बोल नहीं सकता, माइंड डैश 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 उस टाइप का आदमी है, जो अपनी चीज़ें बनाता रहता है, बिगाड़ता रहता है, बनाता रहता है, बिगाड़ता रहता है. इसमें परफॉर्मेंस जो है कई तरीके से हो सकती थी, बट टू डू मिनिमम एंड टू जस्ट दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज फॉर मी. ये हर एक्टर जिसको भी दोगे वो अच्छा करेगा, बिकॉज as I said, you know, it can be done in thousand ways, and I try to keep it as minimum as possible, because जो हो रहा है उसके दिमाग में ज़्यादातर हो रहा है, उसकी आंखों में हो रहा है, बाकी उसकी बदन में इन सब चीज़ों में नहीं हो रहा है. तो it was an experiment in a of sorts. I just hope that, you know, people get the performance.
मुझे I have a snake phobia. I'm very scared of snakes. Actually, I promised myself never to tell anyone, because actors who are your friends and co-actors, they love to know about your phobias and they love to play stupid pranks. And I remember those plastic snakes. They were one day doing rounds on one of my film sets, and somebody twisting the snake like, hey, find someone, Ganga, who's got snake phobia. And I go like, I'll tell you, I haven't met anyone who does. We'll just throw that snake on that person will collapse. I'm like, absolutely, let's find one. So it can actually kill people, so don't play pranks like that, please.
या ये पहली बार जो लिखा था वो बना है। इससे पहले जितने भी मैंने बहुत गालियाँ खाई है पहले की फिल्मों में, वो सब स्क्रिप्ट ऐसे ही मेरे घर पे पड़ा है। वो फिल्म कुछ और ही बना था। नहीं, फीचर फिल्म तो करूंगा लेकिन शॉर्ट भी कंटिन्यूसली करता रहूंगा। इसमें ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं होता बॉक्स ऑफिस का या सेंसर, ये सब सोचते नहीं, ज़्यादा लिबरेटिंग है तो ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी निकलता है।
Kangana, would you ever like to be part of a short film? If yes, what kind of a genre would that be?
I would love to. And because a short film is such a difficult and new world for people who are a part of full-length feature film, like 2.5 hours. So I think genre has to be as exciting as this, because वो जो impact है, जो ये film देखने से जो impact आया है, you know, you were like really, it really affected me, and it really, you know, gave you goose flesh. So it has to be that impactful. I think maybe a love story or a slice of life won't work in a for me in a short film, but you never know. Yeah, I would love to though. I would love to do a short film.
You've always stood out as a symbol of women empowerment. As an actress and as a human being, were you also hurt after listening to Salman's brave woman comment?
You know, I'd really request that we keep the questions very limited to the film.
See, the thing is, we all agree, right? It's a horrible thing to say, and it is something which is extremely insensitive. But what I'd like to say is, let's not encourage that mentality where we want to point fingers at each other and want to feel greater, you know, by just running people down, by trolling them. As a society, we have to take responsibility and stand united, and you know, it's a disgrace for the whole society, not an individual. So like what Salim uncle says is right, that we're all sorry about it. It's not about an individual. We all collectively feel sorry for that thought process.
Do we have any more questions?
I like all genre. I like acting. I just, you know, I'm so greedy about it. I'm always looking out for new roles, new genre, new kind of storytelling, new way of narrating a great tale. You know, so जो पहले कही नहीं गई हो, जिस तरीके से पहले कहा नहीं गया हो, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। जिस तरीके से शिरीष ने ये फिल्म बनाई है, इस तरह की फिल्म में मैंने कभी काम नहीं किया था, तो मेरे लिए एक बिल्कुल ही नया एक्सपीरियंस था। एक नए डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना, एक नया थॉट प्रोसेस, नए तरीके से स्टोरी को कहना। So these are the things that every actor is looking for, and I'm sure that all the actors who are sitting here, all of them are looking for challenges, for, you know, to challenge themselves, to surprise themselves. At the end of the day, you know, if you cannot surprise your own self, the audience will never be surprised. It's the priority is to surprise your own self, and that kind of opportunity can only come from new stories, you know, new thought process of the director.
All right, we have time only for one last question, so we're just going to take one question. I think the lady there. Yes, go ahead.
I wanted to do something that was exciting. मुझे कृति का सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा, और जैसे मैंने कहा कि जैसे ही मुझे पता चला कि शिरीष was doing something like this, और बहुत ही interesting concept था, and of course जब मुझे पता चला कि राधिका was there and Manoj, I was like, okay, this is something I want to be part of. And I really think, as we've already spoken earlier, that short films are the future, because लोगों के पास इतना time होता नहीं है feature film देखने का, unless you've made a marvelous film. So I was like, this is it, then let me jump on and do this. And yeah, as and when जब कोई अच्छी story होएगी, अच्छा कुछ role रहेगा, I will definitely go ahead and do it. Thank you. Tumbil. Of course, बहुत अच्छा रहा experience, and we finished shooting for it. We're releasing in November, so I've enjoyed that as well. Thank you.
All right, with that, it's a wrap. Thank you to the cast and crew of Kriti. Thank you to all our friends from the media for being present here. Have a fantastic evening.
नहीं शिरीष जी, मैं उनसे बात कर रहा था, उन्होंने फराह और शिरीष ने मुझे बुलाया था लंच पे, बहुत सारे गेस्ट थे, तो हम लोग बालकनी में खड़े होकर बात कर रहे थे। तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि भाई आप भी शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाना चाहेंगे? तो उन्होंने कहा बिल्कुल बनाना चाहूँगा, मेरे पास एक है कहानी जो एक छोटे बच्चे के पर्सपेक्टिव से है। तो मैंने कहा बनाइए, हम लोग आपको है movies.com पे हम उसको रिलीज़ करेंगे। फिर उन्होंने एक बड़े आदमी के पर्सपेक्टिव से उसको लिखना शुरू किया और 5 दिन में स्क्रिप्ट तैयार कर दी। और 5 दिन के बाद हमने तैयारी शुरू कर दी थी फिल्म को बनाने की। और आपने देखा होगा कि शिरीष कुंदर का जो ये फिल्म है, ये शिरीष कुंदर का 10% टैलेंट है जो उनके अंदर में है। अगर जब ये टैलेंट जब 2.5 घंटे की फिल्म बनाएगा तो ये पूरी दुनिया को चौंका सकता है, इतना बड़ा टैलेंट है।
ऑनलाइन को आप कितना मानते हैं?
ये ऑनलाइन फ्यूचर है। बड़ी फिल्में हॉलीवुड की में स्टूडियोज़ जो हैं वो 2.5 घंटे की छोटी फिल्म नहीं बनाते हैं, वो ज़्यादातर अवेंजर टाइप की फिल्में बनाते हैं ताकि बच्चे, माँ बाप, बूढ़े सब देखने जाएं। अभी ऑनलाइन वो सारी फिल्में होती हैं जो 2.5 घंटे की तो होती हैं, लेकिन जो डिफरेंट टाइप की होती हैं। जिस तरह की फिल्में पहले हॉलीवुड बनाता रहा है, लेकिन अब वो फिल्में ऑनलाइन जाती हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स पे जाती हैं या अलग अलग पोर्टल पे जाती हैं, जिस पे सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना पड़ता है, पैसा पे करना पड़ता है और फिल्म देखना होता है। इससे ये हुआ है कि एक स्टार सिस्टम को भी झटका पहुंचा है, नंबर गेम ख़त्म हुआ है और फ्यूचर जो है अब हिंदुस्तान में भी वही होने जा रहा है।
मनोज सर, आप बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन है इस इंडस्ट्री के। अभी कंगना ने एक जवाब दिया, हम चाहेंगे कि आप भी एक छोटा सा कमेंट कर दें जो सलमान खान ने बयान दिया।
देखिए, मैंने वो वीडियो देखा था उनका और मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि बिल्कुल ही उनका इंटेंशन नहीं था किसी को हर्ट करना, आहत करना। उन्होंने जो शब्द चुने थे और जिस तरीके से जो पैरेलल जो चुना था उन्होंने, वो गलत चुन लिया था उन्होंने। उनसे ये गलती हुई है, उन लोगों की तरफ से ये एक माफ़ी आ गया है और आशा करते हैं कि आगे से वो उनका शब्दों का चुनाव सही रहेगा।
सलीम साहब की तरफ से माफ़ी है, सलमान ने माफ़ी नहीं मांगी सर?
नहीं, वो भी माफ़ी मांग लेंगे। मैं चाहूँगा कि वो भी आके माफ़ी मांग लें क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि उनकी सोच गलत नहीं थी। वो औरतों की बहुत इज़्ज़त करते हैं। जो आदमी इतना ज़्यादा समाज सेवा का काम करता है वो औरतों के बारे में कभी गलत नहीं सोच सकता। शब्दों का चुनाव गलत हो गया, एक्साइटमेंट में हो जाता है। हम लोग भी कभी इंटरव्यू देते हैं तो कभी अपनी बातें कह नहीं पाते हैं, समझा नहीं पाते हैं, कभी शब्दों का चुनाव गलत हो जाता है। आगे से मैं जानता हूं कि वो जिम्मेदारी से शब्दों का चुनाव करेंगे।
अपकमिंग मूवी के बारे में बता दीजिए।
अभी बुधिया सिंह आ रही है, जिसका नाम पहले दुरंतो था, बुधिया सिंह। उसके बाद मिसिंग आएगी और उसके बाद 7 उचक्के अभी सेंसर में फंस गई है। हम ट्रिब्यूनल में गए हैं, जब ट्रिब्यूनल उसको हरी झंडी देगा तो उसके बाद हम लोग 7 उचक्के को लेके आएंगे। लेकिन अभी जो है बुधिया सिंह और मिसिंग पे हम कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे हैं।
सर, इसकी कास्टिंग से कितने संतुष्ट हैं जो आपकी कास्टिंग?
अरे इतनी टैलेंटेड लोग हैं, मैं कौन होता हूँ कास्टिंग पे। राधिका बहुत सारा टैलेंटेड है, आप सब जानते हैं। नेहा शर्मा जो है वो पावर हाउस है टैलेंट की। अभी उसने तुम बिन किया है और अनुभव सिन्हा पागल हो गए हैं, लेकिन मैं तो पहले कर चुका था कृति, और मैं जानता हूँ कि बहुत ही मैग्नेटिक टैलेंट है वो।
आपको कभी किसी चीज़ का फोबिया रहा है?
जी, जो मैं उस समय बोलना भूल गया कंगना को कि सांप का फोबिया मुझे भी है और मुझे बहुत सारे फोबिया हैं एक्चुअली। मैं फ़्लाइट में बैठता हूँ तो फ़्लाइट हिलती है तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता है। और
फ़्लाइट में जब सफ़र करता हूँ तो पहले भगवान का नाम लेता हूँ, और लैंड करने वाली होती है तब भगवान का नाम लेता हूँ। हिलती है बीच बीच में वो बादलों के कारण, तो बहुत भगवान का नाम लेना पड़ता है मुझे। हाइट का बहुत फोबिया है मुझे।
Thank you so much.